Hey friends, welcome back to Gibs Brush Art. Today we're going to have some fun drawing and colouring a super yummy cake. We'll be using bright colours like red, pink, yellow and blue. So grab your markers or crayons and let's get started.
Gibs Brush Art.
First, let's start by sketching the base of our cake. We're going to give it a nice round shape. Make sure it looks nice and smooth. Imagine it's a real cake, fresh out of the bakery. Now, we're adding a layer of frosting on top. Doesn't that look tasty? Let's not forget the candles. Draw a few tall candles on top of the cake and make sure they're evenly spaced. For the candles, we'll use blue again to match the cake's base. And don't forget to add little yellow flames on top. Now, let's add some decoration. We'll use yellow for the frosting on top. Carefully outline it and fill it in. Wow, it looks like a buttery golden treat. Next up, it's time to add some delicious cake layers. Let's color the first layer in red. Now that we have our cake, let's color the base. For this cake, we're going to use a nice light blue. Gently fill it in with even strokes. Don't forget to stay inside the lines. Ooh, so bold and bright. Now for the top layer, let's make it a soft pink. Perfect. Red and pink together are looking so fun, like a strawberry and cherry flavor. Great job. Now let's add any final details to make it look even better. You can add a little shine to the cake or some sprinkles if you want to make it extra fun. Wow, look at that amazing cake. You guys did such a great job colouring with red, pink, yellow and blue. If you had fun drawing and colouring with me today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Gibs Brush Art for more fun drawing adventures. See you next time.